Alright, the Akai S612, Akai's first sampler ever. 12-bit goodness all the way. And the Midi Sprout. Both have not gotten enough shine on this channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to demo both because there's two things that I wanted to cover. One is the ability to glitch things up with the Akai. Completely amazing with these manual sliders that you have available. The second part is just to exhibit what the Midi Sprout sounds like in action and how you interface it with a plant or any living being for that matter. So the first thing you're going to do with the Midi Sprout is connect the leads to a plant. And remember, this can be anything that lives. And secondly, the basic things, we're going to prepare the S612 to sample, which includes plugging in the sample input and of course turning it on. Now the Midi Sprout has one MIDI output at the back that's going into the S612, and you could set your sampler to any channel. Now we get the S612 ready to record, and we're using the Ensoniq ESQ-1 as our source, and we're just going to play a chord from it. As you can see, we've captured the ESQ-1. All we gotta do now is turn on the Midi Sprout. And from here on out, let's just listen to the demo. Did you hear that scratchy pot? You know a vintage sampler needs some TLC when you hear that sort of thing going on. So the sliders and the looping feature and the manual splice and the alternating functions that you have with the S612 are, like I said, it's my favorite Akai sampler. I'd like to see more equipment with that basic fun. That's all I could call it, just basic fun. Like a simple thing like that makes my day. And of course the Midi Sprout is just random. It's something that you can't control, but that is really a valuable tool when it comes to making music. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked and learned something, subscribe to us here on YouTube and take yourself onto the daydreamsound.com. I will catch you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Peace.